Hi, this is Dr. Alan Martinez again to share with you about digital smile design. The benefits of digital smile design at Dr. Mexico in Tijuana. Digital smile design, DSD, is a cutting-edge dental technology that combines art and science to create customized, natural-looking smiles. At Dr. Mexico in Tijuana, this modern approach allows patients to take an active role in their smile makeover process while enjoying the benefits of advanced precision, affordability, and convenience. One of the key benefits of DSD at Dr. Mexico is personalization. Using high-definition photos, videos, and 3D imaging, the dental team can analyze each patient's facial features, tooth shape, and bite to create a smile that fits their unique personality and appearance. The software enables a preview of the final results before any treatment begins, allowing patients to give feedback and feel confident about their transformation. Another major advantage is accuracy. With DSD technology, dentists can plan treatments down to the smallest detail. This digital planning reduces human error and improves the fit and aesthetics of veneers, crowns, or implants. The technology ensures that every procedure aligns with the pre-designed smile, resulting in more predictable, natural-looking outcomes. At Dr. Mexico, patients also benefit from cost savings. Dental care in Tijuana is significantly more affordable than in the US, often at a fraction of the price, without compromising on quality. The clinic uses high-end technology and materials, and their team of experienced specialists ensures world-class results for a much lower investment. Another benefit is the efficiency of the process. Digital smile design speeds up treatment planning and execution. Combined with the convenience of border pickup services by Pharmacia Rome and the short travel time from Southern California, patients can undergo a full smile makeover in just a few visits, often within a week. Finally, there's the emotional impact. A confident smile can transform not just your appearance, but also how you feel about yourself. With DSD at Dr. Mexico, patients are empowered to take control of their image and achieve a smile that reflects their best self, safely, affordably, and beautifully. In summary, digital smile design at Dr. Mexico in Tijuana offers a highly personalized, precise, and affordable way to achieve your dream smile, all just minutes across the border.